Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I actually have a video on accessorizing like your box braids, but in this one I'm actually going to be showing you the different ways I actually use different earrings and stuff to like accessorize your braids, and actually it works super well. I literally have been always doing this, and that's why sometimes people are like, oh my gosh, like why does your accessories look so like exclusive? And it's not. Sometimes there's like earrings that I wear that I don't actually wear anymore, so I thought to myself, literally, why not just put it in my hair to give my hair that zhuzh, you know? So remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and remember to click that subscribe button because it will help me a lot, and it will help me understand if you like my videos, if they're cool or if they're not. I don't mind, let me know. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. These are the earrings that I will be using, and obviously as you can see they're actual hoops, and I will also be using this ring, just a normal gold ring, and this is what I'm going to be using for accessories too. I'm going to be using some studs, but I'm going to be using like this nose ring I got online. Oh, it won't focus, but it's really pretty. I used to wear it in my nose. Like, I think I might try that style again. I used to love it. You basically get it and then you clip it in, and then you just bend the bit where it clips in the butterfly clip at the back, and you wrap and you just bend it around the braid so it secures it, and then voila, you have got a bomb herring. So remember, if you get this bit here, I'm basically gonna slot it in, and you just secure it, and then there you have it already on your bun. You have two. Another question I got was how do you rock braids without it breaking your hair? And to be fair, I have no mirror, sorry guys. To be fair, I don't think there's any way. I think the actual way you look after your hair will determine how well your braids are kept in, because if you're not taking care of your hair, then it doesn't really matter if you're not conditioning, you're not shampooing, like nothing's gonna come of it. So I've slotted it in, and it doesn't really matter if it's wonky. I think the most important thing is people just see the accessory sticking out. Obviously I think it would be nice if it could hang like that, but I'm not bothered as long as there's like accessories in my braids. With this one now, you basically take two braids and then you just push up, push through, and then you have your herring there, and then you're done. Like, it's so easy, and like if you don't see things for yourself, honestly, just invent it and create it. Like, sometimes, you know, as you know, like cheap earrings, when they rust, don't throw them away, just put them in your hair. Your braids are protecting your hair from the rust, just for the people that maybe like it might not be good for your hair. And you literally have a bomb style. Like, it's literally zhuzhed up the style so much, and you go out, people are like, oh my god, where did you get it from? And honestly, I'm like, sis, these are my old earrings. Yeah, let me show you the butterfly one. I almost forgot. Bear with me, I don't have a mirror. Very silly of me. So with this little tiny butterfly, you got to be really careful. But I just stick it inside the braid, and then the end bit I just bend and then that's it. So obviously, because you don't want the end bit to stick your scalp, and that's it. You see, I've got a really cute butterfly in my hair. So this is it, and yeah, literally these cost me altogether I think like £4. Altogether I got a pack of like little butterfly ones. These are probably like £3 each. I think it's worth it because these are earrings that I don't wear anymore. Like obviously I don't wear them anymore, that's why they're in my hair. By the way, this is a 3-week post to my passion twists, just to let you know. My passion twists were done by the lovely Braided by Gillian. I will leave her details in the description box, like all the details you need, the edge control I use, like everything's going to be down below, the earrings, the link to everything. I hope it was somewhat helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. So remember to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all at Braids Gang. Leave a comment, let me know down below what you would like to see and I will do it for you, sis. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.